If you've ever wondered what tech you need for vlogging or just taking videos in general in Disney, I'll give you a tour of what I take with me. As you see here, that's my body cam strap. Another one is a just in case tripod. Another tripod, bigger. Two selfie sticks. Waterproof cases for my GoPro. Two charging cables. A power bank. And two fuel rods. We'll go over that in a different video tomorrow. My deity mic. Some deodorant. Also, I always take my passport for national parks. This is just a bag of miscellaneous tech that goes along with my cameras. Here, plugs that go in the cigarette lighter for allowing you to plug in your USB. Plug-ins for your USB in the hotel. Two external hard drives. My power adapter for charging on the go. And these, a lot of people don't take and then they regret it later because you're going to need extra power outlets in the hotels. Some of the hotels have a sufficient amount, some do not. Here is, of course, my card reader, my camera, some more microphones, another microphone, Kimufun, and of course my magic bands, another bag which holds all the batteries for my camera, and that is it. Now it will all go in my Mickey duffel bag, and that is the tech that I take with me when I go on a trip to a park or just on a trip in general. Also, this is another little handy thing I wanted to show you. If you ever go into a place that does not allow cameras, just clip this on your shirt and you have your camera. Nobody would be none the wiser and you're all set. So, that is what I take with me, and I'm going to go ahead and get it all packed up and ready for the trip. I'll see you tomorrow with another video, and until next time, be sure to get out and live your next adventure.